Welcome guys! If you want some great content, then watch this entire video to explore the coolest and biggest excavators, which can do a lot of things that you don't know. At the end of the video, you'll find something surprising.
Number 8.
Excavator breaking down. What would you do if I said that you have to demolish a 24-year-old bridge situated in East China, Nanjing City? If you're thinking to blast this flyover, then I should let you know this flyover is not only situated in a residential area, but also is surrounded by road and metro trains. Demolishing explosives is a bad idea because it's located near to other buildings, since the structure crossing. But the Chinese people did this challenging job with the help of 116 excavators around the bridge. These excavators bored the flyover and demolished it within 12 hours. They achieved their goal without affecting other people's sleep, road traffic, or the metro, which makes this work truly incredibly amazing.
Number 7.
Bulldozer fighting. If you think WWE fights are so cool, you probably don't know of the WWE in China. It's super awesome. Here, two rival construction companies are fighting with bulldozers. This is seriously a deadly war until one of them ends up overturning on the ground. After this fight, these construction companies are in real trouble and discussion is heated up by media.
Number 6.
Excavator playing Jenga. If you think that only kids play with wooden blocks, you're absolutely wrong. The bulldozer's manufacturer released this video. Here they are playing with large Jenga blocks. There's a total of 27 blocks and each block weighs 300 kilograms. Bulldozers are actually incredibly amazing. They can be precise and smooth. This sure is a unique way to have fun doing a stressful job.
Number 5.
Excavator climbing. If you think climbing on walls is only possible for Spider-Man, then I'll let you know that in the German betting program in 1997, a bulldozer had risen to a tower which was built especially for it, by using only the hydraulic arm caterpillars. Inside the bulldozer, a skilled driver was controlling each step. The operator took each step carefully in a lock and key manner. After getting stable posture, the bulldozer raises its hydraulic arm to the next step until it climbs to the top of the tower. The same company has a video where it shows one of their large excavators wash a car, but the results are a little unfortunate.
Number 4.
Bulldozer dancing. We all love Michael Jackson's awesome dance moves. Sadly, he passed away, but his soul is not only in us, it is also in machines too. Here the crowd is enjoying a brand new Michael Jackson dance. A group of excavators is dancing for a crow, being so heavy you wouldn't think it'd be possible. These types of dances are only possible with coordination between the machine and a highly skilled operator to do this. These machines have flexible movement and quite accurate during the spectacle.
Number 3.
Excavator fun. As we know, we have animal rights, but we are now getting closer to machine rights too, which says a machine has a right to happiness and fun. They even have a right to play football. If you stop these machines from playing football, you could get 10 years of imprisonment. Don't worry, I'm just kidding. Sometimes spending your free time with a machine is even better than spending it with your girlfriend. It has a right to push its owner into the lake whenever it gets angry. Enjoying time with machines really is an awesome idea. This man was depressed, so he came to this area to enjoy his life with machines. People are so crazy to get enjoyment without paying any money. Fun is our #1 priority.
Number 2.
Excavator skills. This is one of the largest and heaviest vehicles on the planet, which is usually only utilized in the world's biggest construction projects. As Spider-Man says, with great power there is great responsibility. This is certainly true for this machine. It has a lot of power and is difficult to handle. Extraordinary skill is required to operate it. Would you believe me if I told you that an elephant can pass a thread through a needle's hole? It seems impossible, huh? Here, with the help of excavators, you can do amazing Chinese calligraphy. You can open bottle caps. You can serve wine in a glass. You can cut watermelon. You can cut apple. All these jobs are seriously amazing when they're being done by an excavator.
Number 1.
Angel excavator. What would you do if your partner was trapped in mud? This guy is doing an amazing job. He used an excavator to save his partner from the deadly mud. Every single life is important on this planet. Here, a cute, helpless baby deer is stuck in the mud and taking its last breath. Fortunately, rescue guys saved this baby deer. This is called coming out from death. Sometimes we have to do jobs in difficult situations. This is Russia, where people are smart enough to manage bad conditions. High water levels on roadways sure are a headache. They used an excavator in whole new ways. They bored in the excavator's backhoes and transported them to another excavator's backhoes by 360 rotations. Also, just to let you guys know, I once attempted this in my life. It was very dangerous, and I was afraid at the time. Thank you for watching. Which one of these do you find the most impressive? And let me know why you love these big machines. If you're new here, then feel free to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.